Welcome to Season 3 of Model Airport Reviews, the series in which I review your model airports, the best of which end up in the grand finale and compete for a grand prize. Let's go to airport number 1. First up is Southern Manila International Airport. A long terminal and a runway this airport has, and there seems to be a situation on the runway where there is smoke. This all looks okay, but it doesn't have the special touch or twist to it to progress to a grand finale. This is Aeroport Pacific Su in my best French, and it is absolutely amazing. Here at night, it completely came to life thanks to the many lights on the terminal, airport apron, and even on the motorway tunnel in the airport. In the daytime, this airport looks incredible as well. The palm trees give off a really nice tropical vibe, and so do the airlines like Air Tahiti Nui and Air Caribs. The terminal looks fantastic. He really cleverly used his space because he created a tunnel here where the aircraft pass underneath the airport apron, leaving more space for aircraft models. Another really cool feature is the boat here, as this airport is situated next to the water. As I already mentioned, I really like the tunnel where vehicles pass underneath the airport. The lights, they look incredible, and this picture seems so realistic. All of the ground service equipment is folded out of paper, which is a really cost-effective and realistic way to create loads of ground service equipment. Ladies and gentlemen, take a very close look at this airport for your own inspiration, because it looks incredible. Next up is Burlington North International Airport, and it's located in Chicago. It's impossible to be better than the previous airport, but he tried his best using modeling grass and a lot of rubber tire marks on the airport. I think you can optimize the space on your airport even better and make more space for more aircraft. As here on the right is a big amount of space not yet used, and you could definitely make 2 or 3 aircraft stands here. This is Kansainvälinen Merenranta, or International Coast Airport, located in the south of Finland. Originally it was a military base, and now it's used for flights across Europe. I really like the looks of his terminal, as it functions as a mirror. Furthermore, he has got great ground markings, a taxiway outline, and I love the patch of asphalt here in the concrete. It's those details that make the difference to me. Furthermore, he has got trees on the back of his airport and some vegetation here in the front, which is a cool addition, so you don't have just plain modeling grass. So once again, a really awesome looking model airport. Here is spotted also International Airport. This airport has got 2 awesome features. Firstly, this Alaska 737 touching down has tire smoke created using cotton, which is really cool. Secondly, a Russian aircraft seems to have crashed as it slid off the runway right here, which is a unique feature as well. This is Elizabeth Parkway Airport. It came a really long way in the grand finale last season. Now it has supplied some different images, which once again look really detailed, thanks to all the details like ground service equipment, the blast fences, loads of ground markings, and what I love are the nav lights and these car lights which he added in post. Definitely some really cool features. Here we have Isle of Skye Airport, a local airport in the Scottish Highlands. He's added some awesome pictures of his aircraft. The ground service equipment seems to be 3D printed. I really like the cones, the APU, everything seems so detailed. The background adds an awesome effect in this image. He has got a windsock at his airport, and also these ILS. These are the localizer antennas he added at the edge of the runway. They really cannot miss and are a great feature to add to any airport. This is Katan International Airport in Sicily, Italy. He supplied some really awesome and detailed images of his airport with ground service equipment, lovely lighting, but this is all we have. So yes, your airport does look incredible and greatly detailed, but I can't say more because of the lack of pictures. This is Huntington Beach International Airport in California. It has got everything from ground markings to a terminal and a variety of models. Something I miss though is ground service equipment around these parked aircraft, and there is space for 10 or more models, but there are only a few on the airport. When there is more activity on your airport, I'm sure it's gonna be much more alive. Moving on to the FCWL International Airport in Iowa. A cozy airport which at night beautifully lights up, though the image quality doesn't really resemble the quality of the lights, because I'm sure in real life it looks much better. I really like this image of the Air Force One with 3 fighter jets in front of it. I'm curious to know how you got these fighter jets, because they look really detailed and are definitely a cool feature on your airport. This is Tinyport International Airport located in Amsterdam. Some awesome details on this airport are the ILS glide slope box and antennas, lovely looking ground markings like runway ahead, a gate number, different parking spots for different kinds of aircraft, fuel spots in the ground, and he also added rubber tire marks. Furthermore, he has got great amount of ground service equipment, which make this airport really complete. And one more detail, this control tower looks really recognizable, and let me know in the comments where you can recognize this ATC tower from. And finally we have Yunus International Airport version 2. He already sent in his version 1 in the second season of Model Airport Reviews, which looked similar but way smaller. So it seems he has expanded his airport. He's got a lot of gates, and with a lot of gates come a lot of ground service equipment, which he also has, and it looks really good and detailed. The terminal buildings look really nice as well. I like the train crossing the airport apron. And overall speaking, I really like to see how the airport has improved from the previous season. And that brings us to the end of the first episode. I hope you liked the new concept with all the new graphics. Comment down below which 2 airports you think should progress to the grand finale, and then I will see you in the next video.